Hey folks, so you saw in the last video there the little intro animation. It's actually doing it right now. It's rendering it. Yeah, so we don't want it to show what we ended up at when we do the first. It tries to get the last. I'll finish the sentence. When we make a new character and the intro comes up, it shows where we ended up, which is bad. It shouldn't tell us where you end up. It's supposed to tell us where we're at before we start playing. That's what it's for. So, it's a bug. It showed us where we ended up. But it only does that on the first time we start a character. You want it to not do that. So, that's the bug. But first, a little bit of Floofy Puppers action for you. Here you go. I don't know what it's going to say, but we have something in our inbox. What's it going to be? Context. So, Floofy Puppers said, secret pyramid found inside ancient Mayan temple. You know what that means? Aliens. Just joshing you. 9/11 was an inside job, though, and my grandma looks like an alien sometimes. And this guy said, I also know that 9/11 was an inside job. Funny how so many people believe it wasn't. Buildings don't just fall at free fall speed. Perpetual war? Hell yeah. Okay, we got a live one here, folks. Oh, God, he's a believer. I don't know what to say to a true believer. Oh, I don't. You know what? We'll just leave that one be. Oh, gee, that's precious. That's precious. So, okay, here's the deal. There's a script that runs to make that little animation, how it goes, you know, at the start. Very subtle, but it's something rather than just blur, you know. So I don't know where that video is. It's like the intro video. Generate intro video. There it is. Yeah. So there's a bunch of different parts to this. It's pretty long. This is Mickey Mouse programming. If you don't know what Mickey Mouse programming is, this is what it is. It's just like a basic little thing. It's cosmetic, maybe, and it's easy to fix and easy to diagnose. It's not a real bug, you know. But anyway, let's try to fix this. It's a bit scary that we're trying to fix it while it's actually running. That might be inadvisable, as they say. So, first thing we'll do is we will just kind of take a look at what we have here. Well, look at that. There you go. There you have it. It's like the Jeff Goldblum. There it is. Sorry to bring up memes, but it's funny. See this here? This line? Run the Moria name program on this save file and put it into name. And then later on, when we go to make an actual image, we'll plug it in there somewhere. You can see it right there. Name, right? So we're plugging in Turian in this case. But the issue is that save ends up being the end. It ends up being the final save file. So if we look where we get that, save equals, yeah, so it's getting passed in. So this isn't even the function that does it. It's getting passed in as a file. And then this generates it from that. So, we have a problem, don't we? Huh? So, yeah. Where is it called from? Generate intro video. Must be called from somewhere. It's called from render video, of course. Right near the start somewhere. You can see it's being passed in right there. And there is the line that actually generates. So we have these bunch of directories full of saved game files. It's going to go pull out the second last one that is 000. So we can actually run that, right? Yeah, we can pretty much run that. Instead of giving it dir like that, we do like, well, I guess we pick the directory. 148. Didn't like that because we have that on the end. And that's what generates the file name. That's the file name that we're getting. So just for kicks, oops. Oh. This is the part that actually renders the intro thing. Sometimes it fails, so we do that. We kill it automatically and restart it, and that'll probably work. And if it doesn't, we'll kill that and we'll restart that. This is fun, right? This is called a workaround. Dr. Hibbard, come on! How many times is this going to have to go on? This is bad. I've never seen it do it this many times. Come on, work. Come on. Huh. This workaround might just be infinite. There it goes. And it's going to make our intro video, which is 1 minute and 32 seconds long. But that includes the part where I'm waiting for silence. Back to the problem at hand. So, if we list that, all right, where is 517 in relation? 517, it's at the very bottom. So that's why. That is why right there, folks. Are there any other 000s? There's two of them. One at the start and one at the end. You know what? I don't even want to show it at the start. I don't want to show this one either, because it gives away our name and our class and what we picked. I want the introductory video to be like kind of empty. Name, it'll have name strength and stuff, but it'll just be not there. Maybe with question marks. So, how do we do that? It's Mickey Mouse programming. You just do it. You just do it straight away. But we try to figure out the nicest way. Okay. So, that means render video. I mean, yeah, we could change this script to detect when we've got a new one. Does that make sense? I think it does. How do we make it detect when we've got a new character? Well, if we only have two of these 0000 saves, we know for sure it's new. That's how we know. So, to do that, we're just going to kind of glom on to what we already had here. 0 files. We're going to sort them, because what the heck. And we're going to count them. And it's going to say 2. If num0 files less than or equal to 2, then we have a new one. Otherwise, it's the same old, same old. Like so. Okay. So in the case of 00, a new one, we're just going to pass in new here. And that's going to be our special indicator that, hey, don't use a save file here. This is a new one. Kind of overloading the file name there. Okay, I think that's good. I think so. I think so. Okay, generate intro video. Okay, we come in here and sometimes save is new, right? Sometimes. So, whenever we use save, oh, right there. That's our first usage. We go to see if it's true, it's real. New equals, okay, if the first parameter is new, then new game is 1. That's how we're going to do it. Okay. So that will fall through. Not quite. If save is not empty, then do that part. Okay, that's good. Now, where's the next usage of save? There it is. Okay. If new game, then we don't have a name. We don't have a race. We don't have a class. We don't have a level. Not bad, right? Mickey Mousey all the way. Okay. So there's the first thing. And now we go to get the strength and all this stuff. So if new game, I think we can just leave those blank. What do you think? Rather than having more question marks all over the place. And there's one more chunk down here, right there. If new game is 1, and we do the same thing, just make it empty. So, learning a little bit of shell here, are you? A little bit of shell script. Oh, we got one more. We got the equipment. Yay. Forgot about that. Let's go over our work so far here. New game. New game. New game. Okay. Just making sure I spelled everything the same. Let's look over all the saves. So that's guarded. That's guarded. That's guarded. That's guarded. And the only thing that isn't is the equipment. So what are we doing here? We're running Moria equip on a save file, and we're piping it directly to, we're making an image directly out of that text. Yay. Wow. So, we gotta guard it. We know that much. Okay. And I guess we'll just, whoa. No equipment yet. That's what I'm going to put there. What do you think? Or should we say starting new character? That might be better, eh? So, the last thing I want to check is the new game, these little ifs that I've added. You got to check this. There's got to be a space after that. Or, well, it won't work at all. Okay, we're done. I think that's everything, folks. I can't really test it while this is ongoing, so yeah, let me snap my fingers and we'll be back when we can test. All right, okay, we're rendering the main video here. You can see it here. Just a few seconds in, 37 minutes of video. It's going to be a while, many hours. Here's more Floofy Puppers action for you. The headline was, Goat Headbutts Pensioner After Being Barred from Northern Irish Shop. And I said, nobody puts baby in the corner. And that is a Dirty Dancing reference. But as you can see, they're not letting me actually say anything. So maybe I can add to this. What can I add to it? I don't know. Nobody puts baby in the corner. We'll leave it. We'll come back. So the animated blurb has now rendered, and it's sitting right here. That's our intro video. Let's have a look. Now it's going to contain the starting point. You're going to see what I'm doing before the video starts, and then eventually the animation will go over top of it. Here we go. Ben looking at Ben. There's me. I pick up this thing. I figure I'm going to do that. I'm going to, but then I slowly move it. It doesn't really work.
Hey folks, my name is Ben. This is Moria Speedruns. This is show number 73. And you can see...
Alright, that's the bad one. Now let's go about generating a good one. How do you do that? Well, this was doing it, right? All we need to do... Oh no, this won't work at all. Bad. Oy vey. It's called animated blurb in that script. We don't get to set a file name from the outside. I don't want it to overwrite. So to test, we're going to have to actually change the script to not say animated blurb, because that's the good one. So we're going to call that animated blurb 2 and call this animated blurb 2, and we're going to load animated blurb 2, and guess what? We're going to make animated blurb 2.webm, and we're going to remove that there. I like a so. Now what? We're done. We're ready to test. You can see we're passing in new, and then we're passing in intro. Here we go. Lots of impersonations today. Generate intro video, new, intro.mp4. Now it's going to take a while, so didn't like that. Why didn't I like that? Huh. Where'd you go wrong, Ben? It seems to think our save file isn't really a save file. That's why right there. Wow. You should have stopped me. You should have yelled through the video, Ben. That's gibberish. That's gibberish what you're doing there. So this is like an old way to test if something is nothing. That is particularly portable. If X and then you add on save isn't just that X, then it must be empty. Save must be empty, which is what it is if we have new game set. Okay, here we go. Gee, I hope this isn't wrecking things. What's it doing? Is it doing something? Is it deleting everything on my hard drive? What is it doing? Shouldn't it be showing something? Maybe? I don't know. Did it open up a new window somewhere? No. Can we submit this yet? Thinking about it. Submitting. Huh. Pause on all fronts here, folks. Is it ruining our video? Huh. Been confused. Control C. Control C again. Ooh, it doesn't like us. Oh, it did it. But only after hit Control C a bunch of times. Hit Control C a bunch more times. Okay. Something went wrong. What went wrong? We need debugging. We need just text that says what we're doing. Where did it go wrong? My guess would have to be that echo. Right there. That's my guess. Echo here 1. Echo here 2. See if we get here. What do you think? That's not where it's pausing. Where is it pausing, folks? Why is it pausing? Echo here 1. Do we see that? Do we even get that far? Yes. We get that far. Okay. Try this. Try right here. I hear 1. Do we get that far? Yes. Did we get this far? Yes. We're making all these files again and again. That's a bit strange and bad. Okay, try it right here. Do we get to see that? No, we don't get to see that. So the bug is in between there and there. How can that be? What do you all think? Gonna put in a here 1 here. Change this to here 2. See if we see one and not the other. Here 1. And then it goes to lunch. See you later, program. I don't know what you're doing, but you're gone. So there's here 1, and there's here 2. It goes fishing somewhere in between. Why? Question mark. We spelled these all the same. We copied lines. Can't miss. So in between there and there, new game is 1. We never see this. So for kicks, we'll just move it back. Do we see it if we put it here? Nope. It's funny. It makes me laugh. Do we see it if we put it here? Here 1, here 2. Nope. So, if you're following, the bug is in between there, there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Huh. Well, here's what we'll do. Put in a here 2, a here 3, a here 4, and a here 5. And this will point directly at where it's going wrong, and then we can think about it. Here 1. All right. it goes to lunch on the first one. Get rid of these extra here's and start thinking. You know what? The only thing it could be is like, it doesn't like the empty strength. It doesn't want to put just straight, we're asking it to do straight white space. That's what we're asking it to do there. So, I guess we could just add in some hyphens, work around it, and then do the same down here. What's up with that? There, we added in some hyphens, get rid of our here's. And try again. There it goes. Okay, I'm going to snap my fingers, and when it's done, I'll be back. Oh, man. Our testing broke the main render. One of the things it does is it tries to kill Jess launch. And we had another Jess launch running. It tries to put it in a loop like you saw, and it kills it and it restarts it, and it kills it and restarts it. Well, it killed our main thing. Alright. I'll be back when it's ready. Alright, folks, it's just about done here. So it makes 3 parts. Actually, it's not just about done. It's just about to hit the hard part. The part where it loops around and definitely kills Jess launch if it's not working or not. Here we go. The main render is off, so that's a good thing. It's going to work. It's going to start. It's going to kill it. And it's going to kill it. Killed it. Starting it again. I'm going to kill this one too. Shake fist. There, it's going. Okay. Maybe this worked. We'll see how it looks. Might have to, because it's a cosmetic change, you never know, right? You never know if you're done until it looks good. Okay, I'll be back when it's done. Okay, folks, I think it's done. Let's give it a look. Animated blurb 2.webm. What does it look like? Let's find out. I'm going to mute it this time. Alright. Same. And bring up the little thing. That's a potato masher. Rutabaga masher in general. I don't use it for that. Alright. Wow. Starting new character is a little big. Wow. I like the look of everything here, I think. Maybe I'll take away one of those question marks. So it'll be question mark, level, question mark. And starting new character, we're going to leave it big. Because that's kind of funny. Starting new character. Okay, let's make that change and then we're done. Generate intro video. It's right. Where is it? Right there. So, you can see the race and the class go together. So we're going to make a class nothing. Now we're done. And to really be done, we're just going to get rid of all of our animated blurb 2s and change it back. We won't test again because it's just a minor change and we know it's going to work and look just how we want. Any other animated blurbs? That's it. Okay, folks, we'll do one more check for Floofy Puppers action, and then we'll call it quits. I'm downloading, so it might take a second. Nope, no Floofy Puppers. Okay, see you next time, folks. Thanks for watching.